What's going on, my beautiful people? I hope you guys are doing amazing. We are back with a vlog for the first time in over 6 months. I'm back at it. I've still kept filming over the last like 6 months or so. I'm gonna start catching up with my vlogs and all my content and start showing you kind of what my life's been like the last 6 months. We're gonna start off from back when I stopped vlogging and we'll work our way back to the present time. And I hope y'all enjoy. I missed you guys so much. Got a lot in store for y'all and I'm excited to be back vlogging. Podcasts, we just haven't had motivation to do that lately, but we'll be back soon. So I love y'all, and let's rewind a bit. Spending all morning editing the podcast. I hope you guys really enjoy that. Got my boys Vinny, Trenton, and Justin. Thank you guys so much for being on that. Been grinding. I got 2 jobs, so I've been working a ton. Getting my neck tattoo today. Just got back from my tattoo appointment. Here is that for y'all. Don't know if you guys can see it right now. I honestly love it so much, guys. It's fucking amazing, just how I wanted it. I love it. So I'm happy, boys. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's going on, everybody? With my boy Vinny right here, riding bird scooters. Whipped this one from Walla Walla, stole that shit, threw it in my truck. Vinny just went down some crazy stairs. I'll show you that right now too. Throw it in the back of my truck real quick. Just throw it in there. Put that shit down. I don't want people seeing that shit.
We're jacking the bird. Like that?
No fucking way this dude got that shit. Said he's nasty on stairs, bro. He's nasty on stairs. How do you feel being able to complete the trifecta of going down the stairs?
I knew I was gonna do it. So I was surprised.
I thought it was. I didn't think it was possible. You just defined. You just beat reality, man. That is insane.
Your turn.
Yeah, I'm not going down the stairs.
It's so easy.
Yeah, no, fuck that.
And I'm about to rip this master drift.
My name's Kai Dave. I'm about to whip this bastard. All right, I'm gonna do some crazy ass shit.
My name's Kai Dave. I'm about to do some bastard shit. Oh shit. He did some bastard shit.
Lucky boys in the place to be. We send you out on a VIP. Many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional. Make you shake your kettle. Thank you. Haters take your shots on it. Like a Canada type tits out now.
You know, we do it Tony Hawk style, baby. Tony Hawk style, I'm the GOAT. Shout out mom, 2022. Shout out grandpa. You know, could we hop it on the things?
Could I hop it on there? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I can hop it on that 4-foot rail.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it a little bit.
That's almost 4 feet.
It was a nice little beat. Oh god.
That's how you pop a wheelie.
Put that shit in 3D.
Boys, I do my kito bass noise. Man, shish the mass in the cat. Toe bad no cause move with that mass.
You like that? That was flying. Oh, you see that? It's kind of scary.
Whipped the bird scooters. Vinny almost died twice, maybe 4 times. Almost died. What's going on, everybody? We're gonna film a video of me fucking everyone in basketball street clothes. So let's fucking get it, boys.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right. If the head right, Biggie there every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose. Never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us. Wanna do us. Screw us. Who us? Yeah, Papa and Pup. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Easily. Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, nigga, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so mean.
I always win, I don't lose, never lost, alright? Fuck this fucking bun though. Shit out. Ripping my fucking hair a little bit. You look better. You look better now. Peace. I won. I'm the best. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Kai Diddler Show here. Today we got Vinny and his little boy Nick.
Hey guys.
So, go look at Vinny's channel. Nick's always featured on there. He's famous. So go check him out, boys. We're gonna be hitting some balls today.
Yes, sir.
Get into it.
Yes, sir.
Tom's out. Who's next? Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. She walked right up to me. Said, could I take you home? I'll see you later. Going, 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 going. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing. Swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing, batter, batter, swing.
Alright, boys, that's gonna conclude our hitting today. Had a few good reps in, but it started fucking pouring down rain, started sprinkling. But Nick wanted to come say hi. Say what's up, Nick. Say what's up to the Kai Diddler Show.
What's up?
That's Nick. Don't forget, go check out Vinny's channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate you guys all for watching. Yeah, boys, that's it. Got some good reps in today. Hit some fucking dingers. I can't hit dingers. Vinny almost hit a couple dingers, but good shit today, boys. Good shit, Nick. Good job, bud. You went pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace out. Never change.
Girl, give me your phone. I'm trying to get you on your own tonight. Bad and you know it. You tell me that you with it, gotta show me now. Bad and you know it.